Till lesson 2, unit 10, page 17 from المعاصر book. Look at with me about question number 1. If measure of angle x equal 40 degree, measure of angle y 90 degree, measure of angle z equal 50 degree, then the triangle is base angle. We have right angle here, then this triangle we call right angle triangle because measure of angle y equal 90 degree. Then this triangle will be right angle triangle. Okay, we can write here right. Then the triangle we called it right angle triangle. Next question, letter B. Any triangle has at least space acute angles. Any triangle has at least two acute angles. If we have right angle triangle, then we have two acute angles. If we have obtuse triangle, then we have two acute angles. If we have acute angle triangle, then we have three acute angles, and here two acute angles, and here two acute angles. He wants at least two. Then in each triangle we have two acute angles. Question number 3, question letter C. The polygon has space sides pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. We call this pentagon. Pentagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. Question letter D. If EB equal BC equal EC, then the triangle EBC we called it equilateral triangle. We have 3 sides equal in lengths. EB equal BC equal CA. We called it equilateral. Equilateral, okay. Equilateral triangle. EB equal BC equal CA. If we have two sides equal lengths, we call it isosceles. And if EB not equal BC not equal CA, we call it scalene triangle. Then about question letter D, you must write equilateral triangle. It was question letter D. Question letter E, we want to find the difference between two fractions here. Letter E, we have 3 parts colored from 6 parts here. Okay, 3 parts colored. We have 3 parts colored here. Okay, from 6 parts, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 3 over 6, subtract by 1 over 3. He colored here 1 part from 3 parts. And then you can write the least common multiplication between two denominators, 6. 3 times 2 equals 6, 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6, 2 times 1 equals 2, 3 minus 2 equals 1. The result will be 1 over 6. Okay. Question letter F. The opposite number line represents space here. We can write the operation. About this question. Question letter F. We want to find the example here, beginning or start from 4.5 and the end 6.5. We have here 4, 5, 6, and 7, beginning here from 4.5, going to 5, going to 6, going 7, it reverses to 4.5, and here coming between 6 and 7 it will be 6.5. Then the example will be 6.5 subtract by 4.5. Understood? It reverses to 6.5. We have here 6.5, it's the end and the beginning from 4.5. Next question. Question number 2. Complete letter A. if third divided by a equal 1/6, then the value of a equal space. We can write 1/3 and convert from division to multiplication and write the inverse about a 1/a equal 1/6. 1 times 1 equal 1, 3 times 2 equals 6, and the value of a equal 2. Question letter B. In triangle XYZ, if XY equal 4.5 centimeter, we have triangle here, X, Y, and Z. The length of XY 4.5 centimeter and YZ 8 centimeter and XZ 5.5 centimeter. We call this triangle scalene because all sides are different. Then we can write scalene here. This triangle we called it scalene. Understood? Because all sides not equal lengths. But if all sides equal lengths, we called it equilateral triangle. If we have two sides equal lengths, we called it isosceles. So this triangle, we have three sides are different. Then we called it scalene. Scalene triangle. Next question, letter C. In triangle ABC, if AB equal BC equal 7, AB equal BC equal 7 centimeter and AC 4 centimeter, then we call that isosceles triangle. We call this triangle isosceles triangle. Understood? Next question, letter D. The angle of measure less than 90 degree is acute. Less than 90 degree and greater than 0, we call it acute angle. Is an acute angle. Question letter E. If third subtract by A equal 1/6, we can find the value of A. E equal 1/6 subtracted from third. Write 1/3 here, 1/3 first, because this is a minion. 1/3 subtract by 1/6. And then you can write the least common multiplication between two denominators, 6 and 3, it will be 6. 3 times 2 equals 6, 1 times 2 equals 2. And the difference between them, write 6 in the numerator, 2 minus 1 equals 1. And the value of A equals 1/6. Question letter F. 3.5 plus 2 1/3 equal base. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators, it will be 6. Write 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6, 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then write 6 here. 3 plus 2 equals 5, the result will be 5 and 5/6. Next question, letter G. 40 minutes equal space hours. We can convert from minute to hour by divided by 60, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Divided by 10, it will be 4/6, and then divided by 2, then the result will be 2/3. The result here, it will be 2/3, 2/3 hours. Next question, number 3, letter A. Letter A, how many fourths are there in the number 3? We can write 3 divided by 4. Question here, write 3 divided by 4. Write 3 and convert from division to multiplication. Write the inverse about 4. The division here, multiplication, write the inverse, will be 12. It was question letter A. Letter B. Fatma feeds her cat eats of kilogram of cat food each day. How much cat food does she need feed for her cat for 3 days? Okay, we can write product between two numbers to find the total amount of kilogram. Write she needs product between number of days, 3 days, and the weight 1 day, third, then the result will be 1 kilogram. Okay, then she feeds, she needs 3/8. We have here again 1/8 was 1/8, sorry. Then the result will be 3/8. Again, 3 times 1/8 will be 3/8 kilogram. 3/8 kilogram. She needs 3/8 kilogram to feed the cat.